if you have watched my summer packing video, then chances are you have a really good handle on what to put in your suitcase for your summer trip to Iceland. But there are a few items that I really don't want you to forget. So that's what we're talking about today, friends. Hello Team Iceland, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeannie and I am here to help you plan the best Iceland trip ever. If this is your first time hanging around here, then make sure to watch to the end of this video because I have a free gift that I want to give to you. Before we get into today's video, I want to give a shout out to one of my followers. This direct message comes from Ingreco. And they write, "We had the most amazing holiday in Iceland. Thank you very much for all the videos. They were fun and easy to watch. We spent 12 days driving the ring road. Your Google map was so useful. You made our trip so much more enjoyable and easy. I took my Iceland Lonely Planet guide and never opened it. Keep helping other travelers. You're doing a great job." Okay, you guys know by now how much I love these tags and comments and messages on Instagram. So if you want to get featured on one of my videos or my Instagram stories, all you have to do is tag me at Iceland with a View on Instagram. Today we're talking about the 3 most important items that I want you to pack in your suitcase if you're coming to Iceland in summer. So let's get into it. Well, I've said it before, but I'll say it again. Do not forget to pack a reusable water bottle in your suitcase because you can drink the tap water in Iceland. It's so fresh and clean and delicious. It comes straight from the glacier. So why wouldn't you make sure to have a water bottle with you on hand at all times? Don't buy bottled water. Don't even waste your time. Bring your reusable water bottle and fill up at every chance you get. I promise it's the most delicious water in the world. Another item that I highly recommend for especially May, June, July travelers is a bug net over your head. And while you might be thinking, Jeannie, that looks ridiculous, I would never do that. Let me tell you, my friend, if you are traveling into North Iceland in the summer and you're going to Mývatn area, which is literally translates to me lake, and me are the gnats, flies, that dive bomb your head when you're in that area. You will be just thanking me later if you have a net over your head. This is literally the best solution that I've come up with for this problem because these things are relentless. Like they're trying to fly up your nose, they're just buzzing all around your head, they're just trying to get to you any way possible. Now, don't be confused, this is not a mosquito, this is not a bug that wants to bite you. I don't really even think bug repellent will help in this situation, but having a net around your face just will make for this experience so much more enjoyable. Promise, promise. Remember, for all the products that I recommend, you can just check in the description below. I have direct links to the items that I've used, tried and true. Last but not least, the #1 item that you need to bring for your summer trip to Iceland, and I'm talking end of April until end of July, is an eye mask. This thing will be your best friend. You've heard me talk about this in a couple of other videos, but I'm telling you, it is gonna be a lifesaver. There are 24 hours of daylight in the summer. This means that the sky never gets dark, and when it's time to go to sleep, you are gonna want something that will make it seem like it's night out. So the summer phenomenon in Iceland is actually more difficult for me to adapt to than the darkness in the winter. When it's dark, you're just kind of cozied in early and you get more sleep. It's hibernation time. But in the summer, when there's all of the daylight, it's really, really hard for your brain to calm down. That's why almost all houses in Iceland will have good blackout curtains, is because it's so important to switch to night mode. So when you have a good sleep mask, it's going to allow you to be able to fall asleep easier, sleep more through the night, and then hopefully get up at a normal time. But I'm telling you, this one in particular, I have used for a long time. It's silk, so it's really, really soft on your face. And I love that this band in the back is thick as well, so it kind of sits easily and comfortably around your whole head rather than some of the elastic bands which will slip up. This completely covers my eyes right? So there's no light coming in. I'm particularly sensitive to light, especially, and so I just swear by this mask. That's the number one item you need, friends. It's a minimal investment and you will thank me later. Alrighty friends, so those are my top 3 items that I do not want you to forget in your summer suitcase when you're traveling to Iceland. If you want these items and my complete summer packing list, then make sure to head to my website and download your free checklist. That's it for today, friends. I'll see you next week for another Iceland planning video, and until then, happy planning.